Did you know that sound and music can get your FPV videos from being great to being epic? I'll show you a quick, easy and free way to add music to your FPV videos. On the Davinci page, there's a free version and a paid version. All you need for now is the free version. It can look a bit intimidating, but trust me, it's a lot easier than it actually seems at first. After you download Davinci and install it, go ahead and open it. Now you want to start up a new project. I've named mine Like and Subscribe. You can name whatever you want yours to be, but do consider that as well. Once you get in here, you need to find your media. You can find any flight you like and drag it on to the media pool. You can click Don't Change. After that, you want to click to the cogwheel, and in here we're going to set it to 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. I'm using 25 frames a second, but if you're in the US, you might be using 30 or 60 depending on your footage. And make sure these match for the best result. And then click Save. Now you drag that file down in here and you can see it pops up. Head to the Edit tab. And when you're in here, you can use the blade tool to cut. Then you can use the arrow tool to select. And if you want to delete it, press Shift, Backspace, and it will remove the rest of the media. Now we got it all loaded in, and you can see as it is on the timeline here. There's a lot of prop noise right now, so we want to turn that down. I usually turn mine down to around 20 dB, minus 20 dB, for a little bit better sound. Now you go onto the web. Now I'm going to show you a free way to get music. A while back I used Upbeat with 2 P's. This is a free music site where you can log in and you can use a lot of music for free if you want to. So you can go in here and you can click whatever you want, and unless it has a star, that's a premium music, but else you can just use it. If you use any of this music, you get a small snippet that you paste in the bottom of your description section here on YouTube that take care of the copyright claims and so on. So find a piece of music you like. Also, if you want, you can use Epidemic Sound. They are a little expensive, but they are really worth it. They have great quality music and so on. I left a link down in the description below where you can sign up for a 30-day free trial and also support the channel a little bit. As it is an affiliate link, I will get a small kickback from it. But anyways, let's get into it. After you found the music that you like, you download that and you drag it into the media pool of here. After that is done, you can drag it onto the timeline. And now you got a bit of music on your video. As you can see here. Now, I like to shorten the length of the video so it matches my music. I don't like to have anything out of music. Now you can still hear the prop sounds in the background just a little bit, so you can get into it and you can still hear the prop sounds. If you don't want the prop sounds, you can simply just click mute and you can go. For the cinematic videos, I like to turn off the prop noise, and for the freestyle videos, I like to keep it on. You can also go ahead and cut out the boring parts in the middle of the flight if that's what you want to do. This is where I want to ask you to hit the like and subscribe button down below if you like the content and these tutorials that I'm doing. It would really help out very much on this channel. Let's get on to it. In order to make this ready for YouTube, you click the deliver down here at the bottom. And it would be very easy if you just click YouTube, but I haven't found this working very well. So instead I click the Edge 265 Master. I set it Ultra HD resolution and the frame rate to the frame rate I'm using. I like to go down here, the MP4 and the Edge 265, so I can build it up, and then all you gotta do is click Add to Render Queue, find where you want to save it, and hit Render All. All you gotta do now is just wait while you go grab a cup of coffee or anything to drink and let it render out, and well, now we've got a video with sound that's ready for YouTube upload. Right now I want you to click this video. That is what YouTube think that you should watch next. So as always, let's get out there and get flying.